Next we have trigonometric limits, and here you have to learn these two formulas, number 1 and this number 2, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1 and limit x tends to 0 tan x by x equals to 1. So you just copy this formula in your formula book. Okay, so if you want to see the proof of this limit, then you can just see the proof, but as I told earlier, the proof of this results are not that necessary, but if you are interested, you can look or you can skip to next video. So first of all, number 1, let me prove number 1. We know that sin x is equals to x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial minus, it keeps on going. Okay, so now if I divide both sides by x, then it will be somewhat like this. Now if I put limit on both sides, limit x tends to 0, then it will look like this. So now here in numerator, as you can see, there is x on each and every terms here. Okay, so I can take out x common, then it will be x 1 minus x squared by 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 5 factorial minus up to infinity, whole divided by x. So here this x and this x get cancels, so we will be remaining with limit x tends to 0 1 minus x squared by 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 5 factorial minus up to infinity. Now if I put the value of x as 0, then it will be 1 minus 0 squared by 3 factorial plus 0 to the power 4 by 5 factorial minus up to infinity, and here you can see that all these terms will be 0, only the first term, that is 1, will remain, and hence the theorem, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1. Now the proof for this number 2, we can write tan x by x can be written as sin x by cos x into 1 by x, since tan x means sin x by cos x. So now if I put limit on both sides, then it will be limit x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0. Okay, now here let me write sin x by x together and 1 by cos x separately. Okay, now as you know that property, you know that we can distribute this limits even if the two functions are getting multiplied. So here I can write limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x. So here as you can see, this first part will be 1 from theorem 1, that is 1. Which second part I can put directly the value of 0, the value of x as 0, so it will be cos of 0, and since we know that the value of cos 0 is 1, so it will remain as 1, and hence the theorem, that is limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is also 1. So these two are important formulas you have to know.